In the previous lessons, we learned about definitions, postulates, and mathematical notation. However, knowing the language of math is not enough. Today, we're going to put that into use. We are going to learn about polygons, quadrilaterals, circles, and ellipses. Once you get to know them, you'll start noticing them in buildings, in street signs, and even in nature. So, first up, polygons. Polygon is a closed figure made of straight line segments. Think of connecting matchsticks until you get back to where you started. That's a polygon. They come in all sizes. Triangles have 3 sides, pentagons 5, hexagons 6. Each corner is a vertex, and the sides connect those vertices. We usually label them with capital letters, like triangle ABC for a triangle, or pentagon ABCDE for a pentagon. Simple, right? Now, out of all polygons, quadrilaterals are everywhere. They are the 4-sided ones, basically the backbone of modern design. The square. All sides equal, all angles 90 degrees. The rectangle. Same idea, but only opposite sides need to be equal. Stretch a square into a diamond and you've got a rhombus. Parallelograms have opposite sides equal and parallel. And trapezoids? They just need one pair of parallel sides. If you ever looked at a window, a phone screen, or even floor tiles, you've already seen quadrilaterals in action. Let's move on from straight edges to curves. A circle is all the points the same distance from one center point. That distance is the radius. Double it and you'll get the diameter. The outline of the circle is called the circumference. We usually name circles after their center, like circle C. And circles are everywhere. Wheels, clocks, coins, even the pizza you had last night. They're also where pi first shows up, which you'll see again and again in math. Finally, ellipses. You can think of them as stretched circles. Now, their definition is a bit fancy. An ellipse is the set of points where the sum of the distances to 2 fixed points, the foci, is always the same. Ellipses are everywhere too. Running tracks, stadium designs, even certain mirrors, they all use this shape. So really, these aren't just drawings in a textbook. Polygons shape signs. Quadrilaterals shape buildings. Circles power wheels and gears. And ellipses guide planets in space. Geometry is literally the design of our world. Today, we explored polygons, quadrilaterals, circles, and ellipses. Next time you see a stop sign, a window, or even a sports arena, you'll know the geometry behind it. Once you start noticing these patterns, you'll see them everywhere.